Welcome to Biology Easy. Today I would like to share the topic is here very interesting, very wonderful for the plants. They have many parts is there. Which one is the attractive parts in plants? Can you say anybody? Answer is here flowers. Have you seen the flower? Yes. Everybody watched flower surround us. They have a lot of different types of flowers. Today we will discuss about the flowers. Okay. See these flowers. The flowers contains of the four parts. What? Calyx, corolla, androeciums, gynoecium. The many questions asked to teachers the students. Which one is the male flowers? Which one is the female flowers? How can I understand the bisexual flowers? What parts in the flowers? Don't know. I will clear your doubt. Okay. Now we will discuss the structure of the flower clearly. Okay. They have many parts is there, but we will discuss just four parts only. Let us see one by one. The first part is here pedicel. Pedicel is here the flower with the stalk. The stalk is nothing but one of the like rod-like structures like this. That is called a stalk. When you process of the flower, contents of the stalk is called as a pedicel. Very important. Pedicel. Is it clear? The next remaining the four parts is present in the flowers. Just understand. This is a greenish. That is called a calyx. That is a calyx. When you look every flowers, maybe appear the greenish color. Greenish only. When you process of the greenish, that is a calyx in flowers, not leaves. Understand? The next one is a calyx. I told them. Calyx. What are the functions of the calyx? The calyx is a cover the bud. The flowers before the bud conditions, no, the fully protections by the calyx layer. It is not the outer wall of the flower. Question is not the outer wall and the first wall of the outer wall of the flowers. Is it clear? Calyx I told. Second is here corolla. The corolla is like pigments. That is colorful, attractive parts of the flower. Easily attract the insect for pollination. I will explain the pollinations later. Okay. That is here pollinations here. Second well of the flower. Question will ask. Third is here. People understand the corolla. Rose flower. Rose color, lotus, rose color, pink color, yellow color, variation, different types of variations color in corolla. Now understand the corolla. Corolla is a colorful parts of the flower. Is it okay? The next one is here. Third is here androecium. The androecium is here otherwise called as stamen. This is a androecium. This is a androecium like stalk with long stalk like one of the pouch, no, that is called the androecium. The androecium is otherwise called as a male parts of the flower. Very important. Male parts. Is it clear? Male parts. Okay, this is a male parts. Is it clear? This is a male parts. Okay, I told the third layer. This is a male parts. What is inside? I will explain. Okay, the next is a inside another pouch like structures, pouch or like a picture like structure, that is called as a fourth layer, that is called a gynoecium. The gynoeciums here denote the female parts. That is a female parts. This is a female parts. The female parts otherwise called the gynoecium otherwise called a pistil. That is a pistil. The question will ask, draw the picture level the parts of the pistil. Sir, how can understand, sir? I didn't understand anything, sir. Okay, don't worry. Gynoecium otherwise called a pistil, androecium otherwise called a stamen. The question will ask. Okay, this is a male parts. The gynoecium is a female parts. Understand? That is very important. Thus, one flower. The one flower contains of the male and the female in same plant. That is called same plant or same flower. That is called what? The same flower is called as a bisexual flowers. That's a Okay, I have told androecium, male parts, gynoecium female parts, calyx and corolla. There are 4 parts I told, and including pedicels. Just understand the introduction for the structure of the flowers. Okay. The next I dissected the flowers. I isolated the androecium and gynoecium from the flower. Here, this is the male parts, this is the female parts. Already I told, you understood very clearly. Okay, here the androecium contains of the majorly 2 parts. Understand, that is a pollen sac and a filament. Understand, pollen sac and a filament. The pollen sac inside they have small spores. The small spores is when you mature the pollen sac and burst, going to break, burst and release spores. The particular spores is released from the pollen sac, reach the stigma. Reach the stigma. This process is known as a pollination process. What is will be pollinations? Definitely you should understand. Very, very important examination point of view. Okay. The movements are transfer the pollen grains, pollen sac to stigma. Transfer the pollen grains, pollen sac to stigma. Reach the stigma. The particular process is a pollination. Is it clear? Pollination. 2 more questions. Very, very important. Is it clear? Any doubt? Again I am telling. Understand clearly. This is a pollen grains. They have pollen grains is a pollen sac. The pollen sac like pouch-like structures. The pouch-like structures burst, releases spores. The particular spores, when you reach the stigma, the particular process is known as a pollination. Okay, pollination. After the pollinations, what will do? After the pollinations, the pollen grains enter from the tube. There is a pollen tube. The tube from burst, the tube burst and reach the egg. Already this is a female. I told you. This is a male. The female is there. Okay. This is a gynoecium, is a female. Okay. So the male parts reach to the female. Just understand the male and female fusion. Enter there and connected with the egg. Joined to the egg, combined. Is clear? That is a fusion of the male and the female. Fusion of the male and female is known as a fertilization. Fertilization. Okay. Pollination here to there. Fertilization here to there. I just understand the rule I am drawing outside. Okay. Just this is a fertilization. After the fertilization, what will happen in the gynoecium? Interestingly, it will convert the fruit. How can form the fruit? The question will ask. I don't know, sir. Okay, don't worry. This is a from the topic you should understand. So the fertilization, after the fertilization, the ovary is a female parts. The ovary is a entirely changed, entirely converted the fruit. Okay. Then fruit, how it formed? Understand? How it formed fruit? If you ask anybody, you can explain to others. Is it clear? Okay. The fruits inside what is that? Seeds. Understand or not? Okay. This is a fruit. The fruit is a female parts of the flower. Understand? Okay. The next we can eat delicious food. Very, very delicious food. Okay. Just understand this. Okay. And they have how to convert it. How to convert it? It is one of the some cell divisions. Cell divisions, and they have many organelles there. One of the 5 mark questions. This is 5 mark questions. How to form the fertilization? They have a lot of is there. A lot of process in the ovary. Okay. So definition asks define fruit. Matured ovary. Matured ovary is known as a fruit. Matured ovary means what? Well developed ovary. The ovary is going to well developed after the fertilization. That is called as a fruit. Is it clear? Understand? Today I told they have calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, which one is the male parts, which one is the female parts. Okay, what is my bisexual flowers, what is my complete flowers, incomplete flowers, pollinations and fertilization, finally formed fruit. Do you like this channel? Share to others. Thank you.